channel logo. Dude, you're not the channel logo. You're new, right? You're new, right? You're new, right? I have a tip top, you know? Oh, yeah, I forgot about that thing. Oh, yeah, I remember. Now, I'm just gonna go on top. You could have broken my bone! I have a tip top, you know? I don't have to tell you 1,000,000 times. Wait. Does nobody see this tip top? Like, do you even have eyes? Well, duh, we have eyes. Well, then why can't you see my tip top? We just like the guy on top of you. Hey, what in the world? I thought you were gone. I wasn't gone. I was just at a shopping mall. All right. Excuses. Don't use all right. I was at the market. No, you weren't. Yes. No. Hey, why are we all on here now? I'm on here. I'm that slow guy. Wait, I didn't know you were slow. I mean, like, you look like a gan. No, I'm actually like, well, my specialty is that corner twisting. How can you corner twist that fast? I can't even corner twist one bit. Well, I can corner twist, like, really easily. That's not corner twisting. You can't corner twist. Right. Well, I'm gonna glide down. Hey, why is that foot pointing at me? Don't kick me. Okay, now who else wants to be kicked? Don't kick me. Because I'm going on gliding. Great. Who else wants to be kicked? Nobody else. Oh, right.